So this would be about 30 years ago. So we're talking about maybe 95.
I think that time getting any motorcycle was a very big deal.
Actually, everything at that point was grey. All the imports into India was grey. There was nothing officially sold there except the small motorcycles. So even these bikes that were there were very few and far between. It's not today where you can go into Ducati or a Honda or a Triumph showroom and Kawasaki showroom and pick up which motorcycle. So easy to get a bike today. But in those days, there were a handful of people who brought these special vehicles. And in fact, I used to come a lot to Pune in those days, and there used to somebody that I used to look up to here as well. And I used to go to his garage and say, Raju bhai, I'm coming for tea. Say, come Vicky, come, have a cup of chai. And I used to just sit there and watch him work on his motorcycles. And then after some time I say, Raju bhai, let's see the garage. Like looking from down to up, oh my God.
As good as it gets.
For me at that point, it was like being a kid in a candy store. And I used to love this.